If you don't speak perfect English, you must be thick. What? Since when did English become a measure of intelligence? And why are we not talking about language families? If you already speak one of the European languages, right, like Spanish, French, or German, and you're learning English, you basically got in cheat code. Universidad, université, universität, university, right? See the pattern? 大学 or 大学. Where's the similarity? A Spanish speaker learning English can recognize thousands of English words almost instantly. Now imagine you speak Chinese. You'll have to memorize every single word from scratch. There's no alphabets, there's no tenses, no cases, no articles. Try explain to someone, why is I'm going to the shop, but I'm going to bed? Just vibes. And prepositions, why is it I'm in the car, I'm on the bus, I'm at the station. In Chinese, 在. So when somebody is trying to learn English from Chinese, they're not necessarily just learning thousands of new vocabularies. They're literally learning a completely different way of organizing reality in their brain. But here's what really gets me. I've heard people, educated people, talk about their PhD students or Chinese international students with actual disgust because their English isn't perfect. Can we just pause? These students are crushing it in your language. They are operating in a completely different system in the field that's already difficult. They are keeping up with you. And can we just get out of our little bubble and be realistic for 1 second? Not everybody have the same resources. This world is not fair. Some people grow up in countries where English education is expensive, inaccessible, or just not a priority because, shocker, people have their own culture and language. Wild, I know. Also, English is everywhere because Britain went everywhere. Not because it's inherently superior. It's a historical accident, not a measure of worth. And intelligence is problem solving. It's creativity. It's emotional awareness. It's understanding complex systems. None of that requires you to know the difference between affect and effect, which, let's be real, half of English speakers get wrong anyway. So maybe, just maybe, we could stop judging people's entire intellectual capacity just based on whether they can pronounce Worcestershire correctly.